Lakhipur Online Puthokzaba Jungi Tang Taramathoi Sagul se numit ki Khomjinba Pao tabirasi Ahanbada Maroi Pao Lakhipur Senior Secondary School Fullertolgi Higher Secondary Porikha da mai paglakraba mairoi singbu taramna oktuna pungning thawat khre Agartala gi saknaireba samasebak amasung oza sapam nabakumar na lekhidabada tongan belup kayana awapa phongdokre Jiribamda tha sigi manungda diet center hangdok pidrabadi bahiroi lupsingna akan ba khongjang changsin gadori Trinamool Congress ki Rajya Sabha ki MP Susmita Dev Rajya Sabha ki member daki resign tawkhre amasung malem gi miyam na khorang na ngainariba FIFA World Cup ngasi nongyai matung pung 12 makhai dagi hauragani Hauzik mapung iba pau tabirasi Handak da pangthokiba Higher Secondary Porikha da mai paglakraba Lakhipur Senior Secondary School Fullertol Kasar gi mahiroi singbu taramna okpa amadi pungning thawgatpagi akhanaba thawram mangarang school asida pangthokre thawram asida mai paglakraba mahiroi khudingmakta lengyan fi amadi certificate kusinaduna taramna okhi Parikha asida distinction phanglakiba mahiroi amadi star mark phanglakiba mahiroi ahumda certificate lengyan fi memento amadi makhoi gi pungning thawgatpa oina lupa chamga gi sel gi mana su khudol tamki sel gi mana khudol tobirakiba singdi political science ki oja Y Sarat Chandra Singha economics ki oja Siraz Ahmed biology ki oja S Jayant Kumar Singha amadi head clerk W Ratan Singhani Thauramasibu Mar Oja Lalngaizol Khojol amasung English ki oja Janam Mausumi Lema Anina program conduct to biki school asigi president L Atol Singhana mifam apoiduna pangthokki bataram nokpagi thauramasida Earl Higher Secondary School ki principal Somyojit Chakrabartina athoiba mithung aduga Lakhipur Senior Secondary School ki principal L Kulap Singha Nehru College Poilapul ki Potharaba Associate Professor Dr. P Rasbihari Singha amasung educationist member Sagapam Birena ikai khamnajaba mithung sing oina thauramda saruk yakhi
Assam government sanctioned rupees 36 crore in 2022 under the scheme of Arundaram Barua Award, and out of some 36 crore, 22,601 students enjoyed one-time scholarship. Last year, the Assam government under the finance department sanctioned rupees 71.58 crore, out of which each and every student getting more than 75% enjoying rupees 15,000. So this scheme may also be announced this year. Only the ministry has been installed recently, and this type of institution award is yet to be declared by the Assam government. Let us hope something will emerge out during these days also, because our Chief Minister is very much, his visionary leadership will always pave the way to bring the educational, environment in a better way in Assam.
While receiving awards is a matter of great honor, always remember, বাংলায় বলি তোমরা সর্বদা মনে রাখবেন যে সাকসেস ইজ নট এ ডেস্টিনেশন, সাফল্য মানে আমাদের গন্তব্যস্থল নয়, but a continuous journey. Remain humble, keep learning, and continue to work hard. Your achievements today should inspire you to aim even higher in the future. I encourage all students to uphold the values of honesty, discipline, respect, and responsibility. Let us work together to create a brighter future for ourselves, our institution, and our society.
Agartala Municipal Corporation Koliba Meitei Khungangi Khwaidagi Ahloiraba Ovoinogor gi Saknairaba Samaj Sebak Educationist amasung Headmaster Oiramba Sapam Nabakumar na Lekhidabada Obhoinagar Puthiba Welfare and Cultural Society amasung Manipuri Literary and Cultural Forum Tripurana awapa phongdokre. Mahak haukiba June gitang nipanda masagi Shanghai da lekidabani. Lekidaba matamda masagi chahi marfutara nipan sukre. Mahaki loinabi amasung imung manung bari mata kaya lahori. Mahakna lekidabada ikai khumnaba utpoina hayeng irai numitki ayuki pung mapanda Obhoinagarda Puthiba Welfare na sinduna awapa phongdokpagi mifam ama pangtokkodori. Mahakna lekidabasi khunai asigi masak naiba guardian ama mangjarabani haina marup pauchegi editor RK Tarunjit na phongdorakle. Sapam Nabakumar lisingani ka taruktagi taret phauba marup paucheda chang naina ibirami. Panbayai Sapam Nabakumar kumja lising amaga chamapan kunipanda Chesuria Meitei Khungang da pokhi. Matungda lising amaga chamapan marfutara tareta Agartala gi Obhoinagarda yumlingduna leikhi. Mahaki lana thoram lakliba June gitang kunmathoi da pangthoklagani haina Agartala dagi phongba pawa sina haire.
Ase mai le lale adlanga se sai khala Mitai ai khoi ge haibam tawham laite Pao pibam su laite aidla Potrika matang nil Haina marop nagala me Ngasi marop potrika ge Maridagi Manipur dagi singana terpa bhavda Mayamna tarso Mitai ye pao Rashtrati ge pao Phangi sine Hujikti Sarikha lahide Masalipa Tarunsla Kocha Chatla Mitai ki Jogajog Samparka se Ataisu Naksan Nava, Kansan Nava, Maru Potragage, Madhomda, Yamkana Honare Adagi Manungda, Sana Segi, Mateng Laudana, Montua Bahadur Rajo, Manipurge, Akage Ukalge, Director Kareno, Maga, Tanadana, Laindho, Laihara, Waho, say, Asidagi. Tripura ga Manipur ga ataisu samparga se naksan nawai hele.
Jiribam ki mahiroi lupsingna Jiribam district ta District Institute of Education and Training Diet Center ama thaminaba matam kaya gi mamangdagi honaduna lakli adubu Jiribam da huzik sagaliba diet ki building asi athuba matamda loisinduna amadi tha asigi manungda staff hapagi thabak pangthok pidrabadi akanba khongjang changsilagani haina ngarang KSA ki office ta pangthokiba paugi mipam amada KSA Jiribam District Council ki President K Somorjit Singh na akanwa wafam thamkhre. Mahakna hai Jiribam da diet ki center ama thambine ba governor da memorandum ama piduna haijakhiba leikre. Masigi makha taba oinasu diet ki director ga wari sanaduna office ki staff sing lauduna thabak haunana ba tawragani haiba wafam phawba leikrabani maramaduna tha asigi manungda diet center asi mathau tawba haunana ba Somorjina Paumi sing da phongdokhi paugi mipamaduda MSF Jiribam District Committee ki General Secretary A Robert Desam District Council ki President TA Santos KSA Jiribam District Council ki President K Somorjit amadi Suk Jiribam District Committee ki President M Nirmal Sarukjaki
asigi mayokta ngasi Jiribam da leriba mayroi lup mari Desam MSF KSA amadi Sukna ngasi ki press meet asi pangthok chabani hairiba diet center asi atuba matamda loisin biduna mathau taba posting principal ama BP ama senior lecturer taruk lecturer tratret working work experience teacher ama librarian ama laboratory assistant ama office superintendent ama accountant ama steno ani ICT support staff technician ama LDC nipan data entry operator ama grade 4 taruk hairiba puna post nifuga mapan asi atu matanda lawiduna haiba Jiribam da diet center asi hanguppigadabani karigumba haiba diet center asi handagi chaliba tha asi phawbugi manungda tawbiraktaba taragadi Jiribam da leiba mairoi single kusan narakanda Jiribam da leiba mairoi sangsingda akan bakhongjang changchalagani haibasi mahelu marigi site gi thamjai
Trinamool Congress TMC gi senior leader amasung Rajya Sabha gi MP Susmita Debna mahaki party dagi amasung Rajya Sabha gi member dagi resign tawkhre thodogasi West Bengal gi assembly mikhal gi matungda Trinamool Congress na chauna maithi khiba gi matungda khanghoduna thoglakpa thodokamani Rajya Sabha thadokraba matungda mahakna Delhi da Assam gi Mukhyamantri Himanta Biswa Sarma ga unakre masiga loinana mahak BJP da changlakpagi rajniti gi oiba chingnaba leire hainari panbayai Susmita Debna ngarang Jumsakaisha numita Rajya Sabha gi chairman CP Radhakrishnan gi mafamda mahaki pham thadokpagi cherola du pisinki chaiwala sigi manungda Rajya Sabha gi MP resign tawkibata Susmita Debna ni subani masigi mamangda ningthau kaba numita senior leader Sukhendu Shekhar Rai su party amasung Rajya Sabha thadokrabani Malem gi miyamna khorang na ngainariba FIFA World Cup ngasi nongyai matung pung 12 makhai dagi hauragani America Canada amasung Mexico na punna yumbo oduna pangthokliba tournament asigi ahanba opening match Mexico City da sanaragani Group A gi match asida Mexico ga South Africa ga sanagani ani suba match South Korea ga Czechia ga Bharat ki matamda hayeng ayuk pung 8 makhai dagi sanaba hogani Team Nipunipan asi Group 12 khaidoktuna zathagadaba tournament asigi final match July gi tang kunda sanagani FIFA amasung Lenovo ani na punna referee singna mateng pangana bagi damak AI gi anuba technology ga loinana Tryon da koba ball sijinagadori masina referee singna offside ki warib lobada changma matam hantha lagani hairi FIFA World Cup ki haudokpagi thoramna Bharat ki matamda ngasi numidang pung 10 makhai dagi haugani thoramasi Mexico City gi maming leraba Azteca Stadium da pangtokani thoramasi da saknairaba saisakpi Sakira amasung saisakpa Barnaboy gi akhanaba performance utkani Lakhipur online channel asibu yengbiriba singna pawa sibu like amati share tawbiu amati hojik phawa channel asibu subscribe tawbidriba singna subscribe tawbiu Aroibada maruoba pau amukhanna Lakhipur Senior Secondary School Fulartolgi Higher Secondary Parikha da mai paklakraba mairoi singbu taramna oktuna pungning thawatkhre Agartala gi saknairaba samaj sebak amasung oja sapam Nabakumar na lekhidabada tongan balup kayana awapa phongdokre Jiribamda tha sigi manungda diet center hangdok pidrabadi mairoi lupsingna akanba khongjang changsin gadori Trinamool Congress ki Rajya Sabha ki MP Susmita Deb Rajya Sabha ki member dagi resign tawkhre amasung Malem gi miyamna khorang na ngainariba FIFA World Cup ngasi nongyai matung pung 12 makhai dagi hauragani Lakhipur Online YouTube channel gi pau sandok jaba ngasi gi oinadi matang asidaloi jare